The world of pearls is fascinating. You have white and yellow pearl from the Yangtze River. You have golden pearls from Philippines. You have black pearls from Tahiti. You have more spice pearls. You have South Sea. You have a world of fascinating colors and shapes. But I have a tendency to be attracted by Baroque pearls. Baroque pearls make me think about what to do with them. I like the irregular shapes, the organic forms, and that allows me to make pieces like, for example, this ring. This ring, being Baroque, offers me the uniqueness of a shape that is asymmetrical and organic, and that's my preference. This, to me, is perfection of nature. I just try to highlight it.